Hello YouTube, I'd like to show this Silverline extra high security padlock. It's shrouded and it's a disc detainer. According to the box, it's guaranteed forever. I don't know what they're guaranteeing, but it's forever. And on the back it says disc lock mechanism for the highest resistance to prying and picking. I got this shipped directly from the People's Republic of China for a total of $5 US. So let's try the key first, and it works. If not perfect, it works. So let's zero the disc and see if we can open it using our disc detainer pick tool. They don't have any binding orders, so we're just gonna start in the back and move forward. And there we go. So much for Chinese extra high security. Thanks for watching.